Yeah, my ring stick came from TopDidgeridoo, or as I like to call them, BottomDideridoo. All in all, this cost me $272.50, or no, $227.50, excuse me, between shipping the junk spiral didgeridoo back that should have never left Indonesia at that rate of price anyway. Fucking ass clowns. Anyway, they sell these for $69 and call them authentic. Guess what? Actually, authentic ones are made out of agave cactus. And don't even come from Australia, so they're not even dot painted. Holes are too big. Ain't really enough stuff in them. Works alright as a shaker. You can get better and longer made out of cactus for $30-40 on Amazon.